my loves, this is your girl Tara Love Diva Styles. This is your girl Tara Love Diva, and welcome to my channel. If you are new, subscribe and click on that bell notification so you can see more videos coming from Tara Love Diva. If you are an OG, welcome back, my boos, and welcome to the new ones. Now we're gonna get onto this video, so we won't drag this video out because I had already recorded this video on my other camera, but for some odd reason the focus was not focusing on the product that I was holding up. So hoping that this camera would do it. So with that being said, I am back with a new, what I'm here with? Oh, I am back with the new hair unboxing, and this one is from Nadula. What is it? Nadula. I believe it's Nadula. I've never worked with this company before. I hope it's in focus. And I had already took the stuff out the box, like I said, because I did it on the other video. So what we're going to do is show what came in the box, which are these lashes and a wig cap, which came in black. Your girl don't use wig caps. It's too hot for all of this hair. So with that being said, we're gonna get onto the hair. This is not a sponsored video yet, but if you all get me some likes, your girl can get some sponsored videos. But let's get into the specs before I show the hair. This hair is 18 inches. It's a wig. It's 13x4 lace frontal. The density is 130. It's a natural color. It's a natural color body wave. This wig range from 8 inches to 26 inches. It also comes in 13x6 at 150 density. Now, with that being said, like I said, this is an 18-inch. I'm kind of loving the 18-inch because it is too hot for all of this. This used to be 26 inches. I had to cut this crap. It's too hot for that. But this wig here, from when I pulled it out the box, I am loving it. The body waves, you see the body waves? It came down straight out of the box. I did nothing to it except run my fingers through it. Now, this is the lace frontal. Has pre-plucked hairline, and it also has baby hairs. 9 times out of 10, I cut the baby hairs. I can't work with baby hairs. I don't know how to really lay baby hairs. On the inside, you see all of this parting space from here to here. Then you have parting space on the side here. Then you have the comb in the middle. Then you have a comb on the side. I'm hoping this is in focus. There's a comb here, and there's a comb on the side, and then there's a comb on this side. Then you also have a comb in the back. And you also have a little lace at the bottom, which is cool. Then you have, like I said, the comb in the back and the drawstrings. Now, 9 times out of 10, all the time, I cut the combs out because I do not like sticking it through my hair because it causes breakage. And I advise a lot of people, if you do not want bald spots, stop putting these combs in your hair. Because as you take the braids out and you go to comb it, you see a lot of hair coming out. It's because you tangled your hair in between these combs here. These combs are a no-no. Some people love them, but me personally don't recommend it, because a lot of people hair I've done, I see where they stick the comb into the braids and you leave it, and then you constantly, you're constantly doing this every day, all day. You're tugging on your hair, you're pulling it, you're putting it up in the ponytail. What you're doing is taking these combs and breaking your hair. Wherever you stick in the combs, you're breaking it. And there's, especially if you have combs on the side here and you talking about, oh, my hair is falling out. This is why. cut them out. If anything, use bobby pins, but do not use these combs because they will break your hair out. Trust me, I have enough clients to tell you this. Other than that, the hair is really soft. I have not washed it. I have not done anything. The parting space, the lace is to the actual color of my skin, if you can see it. Oh, you have a nice voice. Stop singing. The parting matches my skin tone, so that's a good thing. I don't bleach knots because I don't dye hair or bleach. But what we're going to do is we're going to put this wig on. Not now. We're going to put this wig on, so stay tuned. To be continued. So with that being said, comment, like, and subscribe. And this is your girl Tara Love Diva. I am coming to you with a new wig. I didn't make this one this time. This one came from Nadula Hair Company off of Amazon. And this wig here is a 13 by 4 parting space. So it goes from here to here, parting space. Goes from ear to ear. You can part it and bring it over. With that being said, I haven't cut the lace off, but the lace is a good lace to melt. So with that being said, why am I so close? With that being said, I haven't tacked it down. I haven't done anything to it. It also has the lace in the back here. It's only like 4 inches of lace back here that you can cut, and if you want to put your hair up in the ponytail. I'm not going to do too much to it because it's not on my head all the way. So far it has no shedding. I just got the hair today, which is, what's today? Today is July 22nd. I believe, yeah, today, Monday, July 22nd. But anyway, I just got this hair. I wanted to do the IGTV review. So with that being said, stay tuned for my YouTube channel. Was going to show you all the perks and the specs and everything about this hair. You just see, I am so hot. It's so freaking sweaty. So I will put the link in the description box from this hair. And yeah, we're gonna play in this hair a lot until I'm not gonna do anything to it. I'm not gonna straighten it. I'm not gonna do anything to it. Just gonna rock it like this for a minute, because I have videos to do. So with that being said, oh, no, I'm just playing. Anyway, I'm going to go and cut this lace off, and you will see me tomorrow. Tomorrow, you will see the hair, what it looks like without the lace. So with that being said, I will be back. Hair is everywhere. I look like one of those aliens. Woo! Okay, that's enough. I'm gonna get off of here.